here today. I'm so happy to be here tonight. Thank you all for joining us. It's a very rare situation as a singer and a performer that you get to stand with a 40-piece orchestra and play music. So I'm so grateful for you all. As he mentioned, he orchestrated that whole overture that they opened with, which is from the musical Rex, which is a show that's very dear to my heart. And I had no idea they were doing it. And we started rehearsal. I was just like, wow, this is like kismet and amazing. And Sean, actually, there was a recent production event at the Kennedy Center. Sean orchestrated that entire production. So I know as I mentioned, it's not too often that someone like me gets to stand up with 40 pieces and perform music. So as I was putting together this orchestra show, I like to keep that in mind, and I thought about songs that from shows that I've been in, or shows that I've wanted to be in, or just plain songs that I wanted to sing with an orchestra. So hopefully tonight will just be a great night of music, and I'll share some stories about why some of the songs mean what they mean to me. But this next song, I got to perform with an orchestra in London about a year and a half ago. Rodgers and Hammerstein celebration of the 50th anniversary of Rodgers and Hammerstein's first Broadway musical. So I'm very, very excited to get to perform this song again.